JobSite India wishes very good morning and welcomes all aspirants. Day to day incidents are very important for competitive exams like UPSC, SSC, Railways, Bank, MIT, and others. Even it's helpful for those who want to keep themselves up to date. You are requested to enjoy this informative video till end without skipping. So, without further delay, let's start. 2nd June is the foundation day of which Indian state? Jharkhand, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, or Uttarakhand? Answer. The answer is option B, Telangana. 2nd June 2014, the state Telangana formed. Now come to some of the static part. What is the capital of Telangana? That is Hyderabad. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. And who is the governor right now? Tamilsai Soundararajan. So, be ready with this static GK 2. Let's have the next question. Which state government has increased the punishment for hospitals charging an excessive fees? So, the options are Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Uttarakhand. Let's check the answer. The answer is Andhra Pradesh. The Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy led Andhra Pradesh government on 28 May 2021 increased the punishment of private hospitals for charging excessive fee from patients. Such hospitals will be levied 10 times the additional amount and repeated offenders will be prosecuted. So let's have some static GKs about Andhra Pradesh. So capital of Andhra Pradesh proposed definitely Amravati. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Governor is Bishwabhushan Harichandran. Let's come to our next part. Which state will include disaster and pandemic management in the school and college curriculum? Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, or Odisha? Let's check the answer. The answer is Odisha. Odisha's Council of Ministers on 29th May 2021 adopted a resolution to include disaster and pandemic management as a part of the curriculum in every high school and college. So let's have some static GK about Odisha. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister Mr. Naveen Patnaik and the governor is Professor Ganeshi Lal. Let's move to next part. Who is the author of the book titled 7 Lessons from Everest Expedition Learning from Life and Business? Options are Aditya Gupta, Pankaj Mathur, Amit Prakash, and Sundar Patel. So let's check the answer. The answer is Aditya Gupta. So let's have bit explanation. The coffee table book with 350 stunning images spread over 250 pages is written by Aditya Gupta. Let's move to next. Which Indian boxer has won the 5th successive medal at the Asian Boxing Championship? Kuldeep Yadav, Siva Thapa, Vikas Yadav, Anurag Singh. Let's check the answer. Answer is option B, Siva Thapa. So let's check our next question. Who has been announced as the new interim president of Mali? Ibrahim Boubacar Keita, Assimi Goita, Mokhtar Ouane, Wa Ando. Let's check the answer. The answer is Assimi Goita. As we are speaking about Mali, so let's check some static GK about it. What's the capital? The capital is Bamako, and the currency CFA franc. Let's move next. Who has been appointed as the national president of Rashtriya Lok Dal? Who has been appointed as the national president of the Rashtriya Lok Dal RLD? Jayant Chaudhary, Ajit Chaudhary, Subrata Bakshi, Deepak Kumar. Let's check the answer. The answer is option A, Mr. Jayant Chaudhary. So Mr. Jayant Chaudhary became the national president of RLD. Let's move to next. So Bashar al-Assad is the president of which country has been reappointed for the fourth straight term? So Bashar al-Assad is the president of which country has been reappointed for the fourth straight term? Oman, Syria, Mali, the Bahamas. Let's check the answer. The answer is Syria. The Syrian president Bashar al Assad has been re elected for the fourth straight 7-year term in a landslide victory, winning 95.1% of the total votes cast. So let's have some static GK about Syria. Capital of Syria is Damascus, and currency Syrian pound. Let's forward. Who will take over as the new CEO of Amazon on 5th July 2021? Michael Holder, Andy Jassy, Anthony Bateman, Julius Boros. So, it's a very important question. Who will take over as new CEO of Amazon from July 5, 2021? Michael Holder, Andy Jassy, Anthony Bateman, Julius Boros. Let's check the answer, please. The answer is option B, Andy Jassy. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos has announced that Andrew R. Jassy, currently the CEO of Amazon Web Services, will take over the CEO role on 5th July 2021. Bezos will become executive chairman. So, this is very important for any sort of exam. Let's move forward. Fake Booster is a unique facial detector tool has launched by which institution? So, Fake Booster is a unique facial detector tool has launched by which institution? IIT Kharagpur, IIT Ropar, IIT Kanpur, or IIT Bombay? Let's have the answer, please. The answer is option B, IIT Ropar. The IIT Ropar in Punjab has developed a unique detector named Fake Buster. That would be helpful to identify and prevent imposters from attending video conferencing and manipulated faces on social media. A question for you all, definitely within this video. So, who was elected for the fourth straight term as the president of Syria? Please comment. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest updates from our end. Please attempt the current affairs mock tests and current affairs quiz. The link is in our description box. Till our next video, do take care of yourself and have a great day ahead. Thank you once again.